and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some milk or some kind of consistency so your throat doesn't hurt and it soothes down your throat when you have a bad cough like me. First thing you'll need is 1 cup. I prefer a mug because it keeps stuff warmer. Sorry. Next thing you'll need, I need to clear out the space. And you're going to need a 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of milk. Well, 2 of them. 1, 2. Now I'm going to close my lid back up. Next thing I need is a pinch of sugar. I got my pinch of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do them small and do organic sugar. Next, grab a spoon. Mix firmly until you don't see those little tiny sugar chunks. Next. We're on one of these little creamers. I'm not going to show the lid. I'm probably going to get deleted. Just a little bit. Like a little less than half. Mix. It's doing good. Almost there. Next, you're going to need organic vanilla, vanilla bean. Oh, that vanilla is fresh. Let me open it up. And just take a little tiny chunk off of it. Put it back in. Close it. Oh, my hands smell so good. Grab this little tiny chunk and grab a little tiny plastic bag. Once it's in there, I'll smash it up. I got it all mashed up. That tastes good. No. And then you just want to grab some. Yes, we do. Some pure vanilla extract, just a little tiny, just a two of these. Put the lid back on. Be careful. Just grab a little bit of salt, just a pinch. And stir. That's good. Very soothing. Microwave for 30 seconds. Oh. So, then clean up your mess. Milk. Should be warm enough. You're good. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell and drop a big, fat, juicy like. Bye.